Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video will feature a variety of hot short styles that you can try out this season. So if you are in need of a brand new hairstyle, this channel is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hot hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a beautiful blonde bob haircut. This is an absolutely gorgeous classic blonde bob style. And then we have another bob haircut transformation. So this one is going to feature a shorter bob. So the stylist did more of like a mini bob with this one. I am in love with the hair color and the cut. Swoop bangs. This is absolutely stunning. Love how it perfectly frames her jawline. She looks amazing. So it looks like we have someone here that had maybe like a grown out mullet. Stylist is cleaning things up and giving more of a bob haircut. And then cutting things even further into more of a pixie style. Absolutely stunning. He did end up doing more of like an asymmetrical pixie. This is gorgeous. And then we have another bob haircut. Another classic, beautiful blonde bob style. Her hair looks so bouncy and full. Next up, we have another bob. And I love the hair color too. It's like a really pretty dimensional gray variation. And it looks like he ended up doing more of like a pixie style or a longer pixie. Very nice. Then we have another fresh bob. She does have the face framing highlights. Looks like the stylist is also adding in some bangs. Oh, he feathered them out beautifully. Nice texture added with the waves. Gorgeous. And then we have a very short pixie here. She has an absolutely gorgeous jawline, really enhanced by the pixie. This is beautiful. Nice spiky texture going there at the top. I love how much fun they're having at that salon. So next up we have a beautiful redhead here. Wow, this color is just absolutely stunning. Another asymmetrical pixie style. Love the way the bangs just swoop across the face. Followed by another pixie haircut. So they are rocking the platinum trend with this one. Absolutely gorgeous color. And it looks like the stylist is doing more of a choppy texture once again. Nice little spiky area in the crown and the bangs throughout. Very rocker chic. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.